Architect Norman Foster, born in Manchester, England, is the founder of Foster Plus Partners, a firm that has project offices in more than 20 countries and construction in 32 countries. The company employs more than 2,000 employees. According to BBC, his style is seen as very much that of the new millennium because of his consideration to clean, more liberated environmental awareness, which he has won many awards for. Foster's father worked at a British engineering company. This helped fuel Foster's interest in engineering and design. At 18 years old, Foster completed national service in the Royal Air Force, a choice inspired by his passion for aircraft. Foster said, "I love aircraft. I've had a love affair with flight since I was a child." Foster later took a job with a local architectural practice. After graduating from the University of Manchester School of Architecture and City Planning in 1961, Foster won a fellowship to Yale University, where he earned a master's degree in architecture. In 1963, he co-founded his first company based in the UK. Foster was enormously influenced by his American experiences. According to Britannica, he returned to Britain interested in the work of Charles and Ray Eames and the utopian vision of Buckminster Fuller, with whom he was later to collaborate with on some projects. Other architects that influenced Foster were Frank Lloyd Wright, Mies van der Rohe, Le Corbusier, and Oscar Niemeyer. Foster's design of the Willis, Faber, and Dumas headquarters in 1975 was inspired by Mies van der Rohe's designs from the early modern period. According to the Times, Norman Foster was one of the architects who turned things around by proving that to make a good building, it would not be necessary to abandon the principles of modernism, but to simply apply them with new rigor and imagination. Foster won Pritzker Architecture Prize in 1999. He was also awarded the Royal Gold Medal for Architecture in 1983, the Gold Medal of the French Academy of Architecture in 1991, and the American Institute of Architects Gold Medal for Architecture in 1994. The HSBC building was completed in 1985 in Hong Kong, China. This 47 stories office building was built quickly due to prefabrication, with materials arriving on site from all around the world, including 30,000 tons of steel and 45,000 tons of aluminum. One of the main characteristics of the HSBC building is the absence of internal supporting columns. Inside the building, the floors appear to be suspended. The exterior of the building features dramatic exoskeleton trusses, which are the main element of the facade. These two ladder trusses extend the full height of the building with suspended horizontal and diagonal braces. The Gherkin building, completed in 2004, is a 41-story commercial skyscraper located in London, England. The structural material is 10,000 tons of steel covered with glass panels that are rounded off at the corners. The design is elongated curved shaft with a round top. Despite the round shape of the building, most of the glass panes are completely flat. The curved glass dome at the very top allows for a 360-degree view of London. The design allows the building to appear sleeker than a regular rectangular-shaped skyscraper. The building shape makes it robust against the wind. Some of the features of the building make it energy efficient because they allow natural ventilation. For example, the windows allow sunlight to penetrate the building to cut down on light costs. The Hearst Tower, completed in 2006, is a 46-story skyscraper located in New York City. This skyscraper was built on top of a landmark building with a cast stone facade. The skyscraper uses over 10,000 tons of structural steel. The facade of the building is a triangulated form with corners peeled back between the diagonals. This has an effect of emphasizing the tower's vertical portions and created a distinctive, faceted silhouette. The tower is the first green building completed in New York City. The floors are paved with heat-conductive limestone. The tower was constructed using 80% recycled steel and collects rainwater on its roof to prevent runoff waste. At 79 years of age, Foster is one of the most successful architects that continue to innovate. His designs serve the people that are in the buildings. Foster says, "Architecture is about making spaces for people, and it influences our lives."